Operational excellence is a requirement for success in today's marketplace, especially in the oil and gas industries. Equipment efficiency declines as it becomes soiled by normal use. This contamination decreases the efficiency of the production in the entire plant. Periodically, refineries schedule preventive maintenance, renovations, or upgrades. These turnarounds allow refineries to ensure optimum efficiency and safe operations. Turnaround duration is the most critical component in determining a plant's operating capacity and efficiency. This is why turnarounds must be fast, accurate, and effective. Cleaning a heat exchanger with Liquid Blast is a simple and safe process. After the equipment is isolated, Liquid Blast is injected and circulated for several hours. Liquid Blast dissolves the accumulated scale to recover efficiency and extend the longevity of the equipment. Once that job is complete, the contaminated residues are extracted out of the vessel and deposited into containers. Following a quick water rinse, the clean heat exchanger is ready to return to operation. Best of all, Liquid Blast isn't done yet. Our revolutionary product can be stored and reused again. Liquid Blast has established a new speed record for returning equipment to its operation at 100% efficiency within 24 hours. Following the internal cleaning, the used Liquid Blast can be used again for cleaning the plant's exterior. Liquid Blast is safe for personnel, for the environment, and for the equipment. For the last 15 years, Shemensal has developed a leading product and technology worldwide. We support oil and gas refineries in maintaining efficiency and staying competitive. Our effective solutions are designed for your descaling maintenance needs. Shemensal. Save valuable time and money and increase your productivity today.